I want to love this song from the sea. And did you know that each dolphin has their own signature whistles, just like their names, and that's different from anyone else's. Amazing, isn't it? And right now, let's take a closer look at those fins. Those two fins on either side of their bodies are called the pectoral fins. They use those to steer themselves when they are swimming. And lastly, the fin on their back is what we call the dorsal fin. That's what they use to stabilize themselves in the water, much like a keel on the boat. Yeah, since we've talked about their fins, why don't we put those fins into actions by demonstrating some natural behaviors. First, what do you think dolphins do when they want to take a look around? Well, they just simply do this. Check this out. That's right, they come high up in the air to help them see for long distances. Now, IDB units designed their ships and airplanes after a dolphin's body. That's because they are streamlined and built for speed down to depth of 1,000 feet. Hold their breath up to 15 minutes, and they can swim as fast as 40 kilometers per hour. Now, whenever you guys are ready, hit it please. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what we call the fast team. How about a round of applause to Zach and Cito? Right now, I have a little secret that I would like to share with you. Did you know that our dolphin friends can actually walk on water? No, I'm not kidding. That's right. Isn't that right, dolphins? Hey, what? No? What do you mean? Oh, come on, guys. I know you can walk on water. That's not right. Hey, trainers, Paolo and MP, can you please talk to the dolphins? Hey. So? No? How about if we ask, can we ask Zach? Hey, Zach, can Cito walk on water? Yes. What do you mean no? Come on, Cito, show us how you do it.